Chicken Korma. Ingredients: 1/3 cup neutral oil, 2 tablespoons ghee or more oil, 2-500 grams large onions, sliced, 2 pounds bone-in, cut up, skinless chicken or chicken thighs, cleaned and excess skin removed, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/8 teaspoon whole black peppercorns, 3 green cardamom pods, 5 whole cloves, 1 1-inch cinnamon stick, 8-10 cloves garlic, crushed, 1-inch piece ginger, crushed, 2 small tomatoes, optional, quartered, 3/4 cup plain, whole milk yogurt, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder or to taste, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon paprika powder, optional for color, 2 1/8 teaspoons salt, or to taste depending on amount of chicken, 2-3 green chili peppers, chopped. Finishing: 1 black cardamom, optional, 1 piece whole mace, or pinch ground mace or cinnamon, half a teaspoon garam masala, pinch nutmeg powder, half a teaspoon diluted curry essence, or rose water, 1/4 cup cilantro leaves, chopped, for garnish, 10-12 blanched almonds, for garnish. Directions: heat a large, heavy-bottomed pan over high heat. Once hot, add the oil and onions and sauté the onions until they were golden brown, 20-25 minutes depending on quantity. Remove the onions from the pan and transfer them to a food processor. Add tomatoes, if using, and yogurt to the food processor and process until mostly smooth. In the same pan used to brown onions, heat ghee, or oil, and add the whole spices, garlic, and ginger. Sauté for 30 seconds or until the garlic and ginger begin to darken. Add the chicken and fry it until it changes color, 5 minutes. Add the yogurt mixture to chicken along with the ground spices, salt, and green chili peppers and sauté until the mixture comes to a light simmer, 2-3 minutes. Lower the heat to medium-low, cover, and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Uncover and stir in the black cardamom, if using, mace, garam masala, and nutmeg powder. Cover and cook again for 10 minutes. Raise the heat to high. Add half to 3/4 cup of water, depending on how thin you would like the curry, and bring to a boil. Lower the heat and allow chicken to simmer for another 2-3 minutes. The oil will have risen to the top. Sprinkle the curry essence and stir. Turn off the heat and garnish with cilantro and blanched almonds.